Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Neblio. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this very long-term down channel. And I also want to show you this descending triangle as well. In my previous video, I was telling you that soon Neblio can break out this triangle. And by the way, this was the video and this was a triangle. And right now you can see that it has broken out this triangle and we have another nice pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last trade setup of Neblio that I shared with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish versus cipher pattern that Neblio formed with Bitcoin pair. And you can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was moving at 902.000000902 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that first price line moved up to 0.000116 Bitcoins. That was more than 21% pump. And after that, we had a very powerful parabolic pump. And let me show you this move on this chart, on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see I shared this idea on when we were at this candlestick on the 20th of July. And on 20th of July, the price line was moving here, and from this low to this high, that is more than 1700%. And from this low of June 2022 up to the current high of the previous week, so far it has rallied up to 2487%. That is a very huge pump so far. And when I shared my last video, at that time we were trying to break out this next resistance of $2.20. And right now you can see that Neblio has just broken out this resistance, and now there is a probability that we may retest this previous resistance of $2.20 as a support before the next move to the upside. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the triangle that I was showing you in my last video. And you can see that the price line has broken out the resistance of the triangle as we were expecting. And by the way, the target was here. Let me show you the target for this breakout. And the target was here at $2.93. And you can see that so far the price line has rallied beyond the targets, that is $3.28. And it is moving here sideways. And while moving here on the daily time frame chart, it has formed another rising channel or up channel. That is a bit critical because here we also have a bearish divergence as well. You can see that the price line has formed higher low than higher high than previous high. At the same time, both oscillators are forming lower high than previous high. RSI and stochastic, both oscillators are showing us the bearish divergence. Therefore, there is a probability that we may retest the previous this support of the channel, or in my point of view, we may test this support of $2.20, and then we may start another reversal move to the upside. And in this situation, if we will test this $2.20 and not move more than this level, then in that situation we can start a reversal move almost from here, from the middle of the channel, and we may not test the support of the channel. By the way, the target for this bigger down channel that has been working out is still due, and that is $5.15. And after breaking out this resistance of $5.15, Neblio can even turn more bullish. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.